Selling your home in winter feels like trying to sell ice cream in Antarctica. Not anymore. This video is your secret recipe for turning your frozen sale into a hot commodity with 6 proven tips. Home sellers, I've got a secret sauce for you today. If you want to sell your home faster in this low winter market, you are watching the right video. Must pay attention to tip number 3. Now, tip number 1. Make a great first impression. Imagine people driving by your house and loving it right away. That's what we want, and it is called the curb appeal. Here's how to make a great first impression. Clear the snow from your driveway and sidewalk before people come to see your house. Move your cars out of the driveway so people can see the house easily. Fix any cracks in the driveway so your house looks well maintained. By doing these things, you'll make your house stand out and look like the best one on the block. Tip number 2, declutter and depersonalize. Have you ever walked into a cluttered space filled with junk and felt overwhelmed? We are not letting that happen to your buyers. Clear those countertops, stash away personal items, and create a blank canvas for your buyers to imagine their dream life. Your personal pictures will make them feel at someone else's house. We want to make them feel at home. They are buying your property, not your personal stuff. So hide away your personal pictures or items. Tip number 3, light it up. Lighting is the game changer. We are transforming your home into a model home. Nobody likes dark spaces. Open those curtains, clean those windows, and let the sunshine in. Upgrade your light fixtures and use brighter 5000K type light bulbs. They provide bright daylight. Most buyers come to visit your home in the evening after their work. So you need the most light at that time. Tip number 4, make necessary repairs. We are not letting a leaky faucet or a small hole in the drywall turn away a serious potential buyer. We are on a mission for perfection. So patch, fix, repair. Let's make your home as flawless as it deserves to be, because perfection sells. Most people don't have time, or they don't like to fix up these minor things. They would happily pay extra for a perfect house. Before we go to the next step, please make sure you click on the follow or subscribe button, and don't forget to save this video for future reference. Tip number 5, professional photos, videos, and virtual tour. Now let's capture all this beauty. Tip number 5 is all about showcasing your home's best features. Hire a professional to capture the beauty of your home. Trust me, those wide-angle attractive photos will have the buyers knocking on your door in no time. And those videos help your property go viral on social media. Tip number 6, set the right price. And finally, the secret sauce, the pricing. Let's make sure your home just flies off the market and put maximum profit in your pocket. Keep in mind, the first couple of offers are the best most of the time. So research, consult, and get that price just right the very first time, rather than set it high in the beginning and then keep on reducing it. A well-priced home is like a magnet for qualified and ready-to-go buyers. There you have it, the ultimate guide to selling your home at a light speed. If you're ready to turn that for sale sign into a sold sign, click that like button and follow for more real estate content. Until next time, happy selling.